Hello everyone, today we will learn about healing the wounds, a guide on how to fix a broken heart. Heartbreak is an inevitable part of the human experience. Whether it's the end of a romantic relationship, the loss of a loved one, or the dissolution of a close friendship, the pain that accompanies a broken heart can be overwhelming. However, just as the heart can break, it can also mend. In this article, we will explore practical and emotional strategies to help you navigate the healing process and mend your broken heart. Allow yourself to grieve. Grieving is a natural and essential part of the healing process. Allow yourself to feel the pain, sadness, and any other emotions that arise. Suppressing these feelings can prolong the healing journey. Cry if you need to, express your emotions, and give yourself the time and space to grieve. Seek support. During clinging times, it's crucial to surround yourself with a support system. Share your feelings with friends, family, or a therapist who can provide empathy, understanding, and guidance. Talking about your experiences can be therapeutic and help you gain new perspectives on your situation. Focus on self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential when mending a broken heart. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's exercising, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Prioritize self-care to rebuild your sense of self and confidence. Reflect and learn. Use this time to reflect on the relationship or situation that led to heartbreak. Identify any patterns, lessons, or personal growth opportunities that may arise from the experience. Learning from the past can contribute to your emotional resilience and prevent similar challenges in the future. Establish boundaries. Set clear boundaries with your ex-partner or the source of your heartbreak. Whether it's limiting contact, unfollowing on social media, or taking a break. Establishing boundaries is crucial for creating emotional space and facilitating healing. Focus on the future. While it's essential to reflect on the past, shift your focus towards the future. Set new goals, pursue aspiration, and rediscover your passions. Embracing change and looking ahead can help you build a fulfilling life beyond the pain of the present. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can be powerful tools in healing a broken heart. These practices encourage staying present in the moment, fostering self-awareness, and promoting inner peace. Consider incorporating meditation into your daily routine to promote emotional well-being. Embrace forgiveness. Forgiveness is not about condoning the actions that led to heartbreak, but about releasing the emotional burden within yourself. Letting go of resentment and forgiving, whether it's yourself or others, can free you from the shackles of pain and pave the way for healing. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.